Hello students, good morning to all. So after learning a few topics of the grammar and all the chapters of term 1, as I explained the activities, exercise, chapters and all the things, right? Total we have learned 6 chapters and 2 poems, Flying Kite and Going Bookshop. Okay, so 6 chapters and 2 poems were there. So today we are going to do revision of chapter number 1, The Parrot Who Wouldn't Talk. Okay, so I want every student to complete it with me so that you can complete within a period of time before the examination. Okay, एग्ज़ाम के पहले ही सब लोग का एक एक चैप्टर प्रिपेयर हो जाएगा. अदरवाइज you have to, what you will have to do, you will have to read all the chapters together. So don't do that. Read along with me, make it fast and get good marks. Okay. So let's start The Parrot Who Wouldn't Talk. In this story, we'll learn about one parrot. One ant was there and parrot suddenly flew away. What was the reaction of ant? Okay, so let's read that. When I was growing up in Missouri, almost all our neighbors kept pet parrot or a parakeet. Sometimes these birds would learn to talk. They would say things like study child study, don't be greedy, don't be greedy. These words and phrases were of course learned after some member of the household had repeated them many times in front of the bird. So they are talking about Missouri. The author was growing up in Missouri. Missouri में वो बड़े हो रहे थे. At that time, all the neighbors used to keep parrots or parakeet. Whatever words the member of the house speaking, the parrot will repeat that words. Parrot will imitate quickly to them. But our parrot refused to talk. Author is telling here that my parrot was not talking at all. He had been bought by Aunt Ruby from Birdcatcher, who visited all the houses on our road. Aunt Ruby brought this parrot from Birdcatcher. This is your answer of the question. From where Aunt Ruby bought the parrot or brought the parrot? Aunt Ruby brought the parrot from Birdcatcher. Grandmother and grandfather did not want a cage bird as a pet, but Aunt Ruby insisted. As you know this chapter very well, सब लोगों को घर में ग्रैंड और ग्रैंड मदर और ग्रैंड फादर है. They don't wanted this caged bird. They want the birds to fly in the sky. But Aunt Ruby insisted. Aunt Ruby refused that she wants to keep the parrot. So she bought a parrot and tried to teach him to talk. But the parrot did not like to talk at all. पैरट को सिखाने की ट्राई की बात करने के लिए, बट पैरट वॉज नॉट लर्निंग एट ऑल. पैरट वॉज नॉट लाइकिंग आंट रूबी. किस किस आंट रूबी वुड से पुटिंग हर फेस क्लोज टू द बार्स ऑफ द केज. दरवाजे के पास जो केज में होता है डोर, वहाँ पे फेस रख के वुड आंट रूबी वॉज स्पीकिंग किस किस. बट द पैरट वुड मूव बैक. हिज आइज is beady eyes getting smaller with anger, but the parrot was moving back. वो पीछे चला जाता था and his eyes were, see you can see, beady with angerness. जब parrot को गुस्सा आता तब उसकी eyes ऐसा white color की हो जाती है. One day he laughed forward and pushed my aunt's spectacles off her nose. एक बार क्या किया? He was laughing and aunt के spectacles को ऐसे नीचे आ गए. After that, Aunt Ruby did not like the parrot anymore. Then Aunt Ruby was not liking parrot. She started making faces at him and calling out, "You are useless, can't talk, can't sing, can't dance." Then Aunt Ruby criticized for the parrot. उनके बारे में वो अच्छा नहीं बोल रही थी. She was not thinking good about parrot because she was also angry on him. What she used to say, "You are useless, you cannot talk, you cannot sing, you cannot dance." Every day she was shouting at parrot. Grandmother then put me in the charge of feeding parrot. Grandma ने author को बोला कि आपको इसको खाना खिलाना है. He was quite happy to take green chilies, pieces of papaya and ripe tomatoes from my hand. Parrot used to eat such things. I also gave him slice of mango. These gave me chance to eat a few mangoes while feeding the parrot. मैं उसको भी खिलाता था, तब मैं भी खाता था. One afternoon, while everyone was in the dining room, I gave the parrot his lunch by mistake. I left the door cage open. What I did? मैंने ये केज का जो दरवाजा है, I left the cage door open. Second later, the bird flew away to sit on the mango tree. Mango tree के ऊपर parrot ने क्या किया? Flew away and he sat on a mango tree. At the same time, grandfather came to the veranda. and said, I see your aunt's parrot has escaped. मैंने देख लिया कि आपकी आंट का पैरट है वो यहाँ से चला गया. I was very sorry. I felt I left the door open by mistake, I said. Then the author was telling sorry to grandfather, and what he told, that I left the door open by mistake. Aunt Ruby was upset. She wanted to buy another parrot. We promised her to buy a bowl of goldfish instead. Aunt Ruby wanted to buy another parrot, but the house member, all the members told her that we will brought one goldfish for you. I thought that we would never see the parrot again. फिर हमने क्या सोचा कि पैरट वापस नहीं आएगा. But maybe he missed his green chilies. But मुझे लगा कि उसको उसके green chilies की याद आ रही है. A few days later, I found the bird sitting on the veranda railing and looking at me. थोड़े दिन के बाद ही मैंने देखा कि एक बर्ड है वो वरेंडा में बैठा था और मेरे सामने देख रहा था. Unselfishly, I gave him a half of my mango. और मैंने कोई भी सेल्फिश बने बिना आई हैव गिवन माई हाफ मैंगो टू हिम. जस्ट देन आंट रूबी केम आउटसाइड एंड क्राइड आउट. तभी आंट रूबी बाहर आई और शी वॉज क्राइंग एंड व्हाट शी वॉज स्पीकिंग, लुक इट्स माई पैरट, ही मस्ट हैव मिस्ड मी. आंट रूबी को लगा कि देखो ये तो मेरा पैरट है, मुझे शायद वो मिस कर रहा होगा. नाउ लेट्स सी ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज. क्विकली द पैरट फ्लू टू द नियरेस्ट रोज बुश. Now, what parrot was doing quickly? He flew away from there and he was sitting on a rose bush. Rose का जो plant बोल सकते हैं वहाँ पे वो बैठा था. He looked angrily at my aunt and shrieked. आंट के सामने angrily वो देख के क्या करता है, चिल्लाता है, You are useless, can't dance, can't sing, can't dance, can't sing, can't talk. Parrot spoke many of the words. Can't talk, can't sing, can't dance. किसके वर्ड्स है ये? आंट रूबी के ही है, उसके ही वर्ड्स उन्होंने सीख लिए थे. Aunt Ruby turned ruby red and ran inside. फिर Aunt Ruby was crying and she went inside the home. The parrot became regular visitor to our garden. The parrot used to come every day. He became a regular visitor. Whenever he saw Aunt Ruby, he would call out. जब भी वो Aunt Ruby को देखता था तब क्या बोलता था? You are useless, can't dance, cannot sing, can't dance, cannot talk. The parrot had learned to talk after all. बाद में लास्ट में पैरट ने बात करना तो सीख ही लिया. बट क्या सीखा? आंट रूबी के क्रिटिसाइज वाले जो वर्ड्स थे, एंगरनेस वाले, वो सीखे. ओके, सो आई होप चैप्टर याद आ गया होगा. और जिसने भी स्टार्टिंग से चैप्टर नहीं देखा है वो लोग सभी चैप्टर प्लीज़ एक बार ये देख लेना, सो दैट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड ऑल द टॉपिक्स. नाउ वी आर एट द क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स. Question number 1. How do parrot and parakeets learn to talk? Answer will be on the next page. The parrots and parakeet learn to talk when someone repeats some words and phrases many times in front of them. जब एक ही बात हम उनके सामने बार बार रिपीट करते हैं तो वो लोग बात करना सीख जाते हैं. Question number 2. Where did Aunt Ruby get the parrot from? Where did she got the parrot from? Aunt Ruby bought the parrot from the bird catcher who visited all the houses on their road. Question number 3. Why did Aunt Ruby stop liking the parrot? Why she was not liking the parrot? Here you can see with the number answers are given. Aunt Ruby stopped liking parrot because it would not repeat the words she said and looking angrily at her. The parrot also pushed Aunt Ruby's spectacles off her nose one day. एक बार उसके चश्मे जो तो पहने थे स्पेक्टिकल्स वो भी नीचे गिरा दिए और वो उनकी बातें मान नहीं रहा था, बोल नहीं रहा था. That's why Aunt Ruby was not liking parrot anymore. Question number 4. How did Aunt Ruby treat the parrot? Parrot को कैसे treat करती थी Aunt Ruby? She treated parrot very unkindly. She said that it was useless because it could not talk, sing or dance. Aunt Ruby was not treating parrot nicely, but she was treating him unkindly. And she was shouting at parrot that you cannot dance, you cannot sing, you cannot talk. So it is called unkind. How did the parrot escape? Question number 5. How did the parrot escape? One afternoon, after feeding the parrot, the speaker left the door open by mistake and parrot escaped from the cage. After having lunch in the afternoon, एक बार आफ्टरनून में पैरट को जब ऑथर खाना खिलाने गए तब ऑथर ने क्या कर दिया, स्पीकर ने ही केप्ट द डोर ओपन बाय मिस्टेक एंड पैरट एस्केप फ्रॉम द केज. Question number 6. What made Aunt Ruby turn Ruby red? Aunt Ruby turned Ruby red when the parrot repeated her unkind words to her. The parrot had looked angrily at her and called out, "You are useless. You cannot dance, you cannot talk, you cannot sing." Okay, so these were the words spoken by Aunt Ruby. That's why she turned Ruby red. मतलब वो रोने लगी and angerness में रो रही थी वो थोड़ी सी. Okay, now match A with the B. Grandmother and grandfather did not want to keep birds. What will be the answer? I have written here 1. That were in cage. कौन से बर्ड अच्छे नहीं लगते थे? जो केज में थे वो. The parrot knocked off the spectacles. किसके spectacles नाक से ऊपर से गिरा दिए थे? That were on Aunt Ruby's nose. The parrot was quite happy. Why? When I fed green chilies and ripe tomatoes, I was sure. For what? That we would never see the parrot again. Aunt Ruby was upset. Why she was upset? In front of 5 there will be when the parrot said the unkind words to her. Okay, so these was our answers. Now here is the grammar part. We are just supposed to read these sentences. After, underline the possessive adjectives in this sentence. Possessive adjective, मेरा, इसका, उनका, वो लोगों का, किसकी चीज़ है वो दिखाने के लिए जो वर्ड यूज़ होता है, that is called possessive adjective. 4th time we are doing revision of possessive adjectives, so I want every student should know these answers. Okay, मेरी pen, my pen, my will be possessive adjective. My bicycle, my will be possessive adjective. Her iPhone, iPhone किसका है? Her, girl का. So her will be possessive adjective. मतलब ये चीज़ किसकी है वो दिखाने के लिए जो वर्ड का यूज़ होता है, that is called possessive adjective. Modern day school is our school. Our will be possessive adjective. Asha and Harry are my cousins. We went on a trip to their house in Mumbai. Open your notebook, said our teacher. Lata has lost her keys. Ravi is talking to his friend. The bird is in its nest. मतलब ये किसके बारे में बात कर रहे थे? जिनकी चीज़ें जहाँ से वो belong करती है, that is called possessive adjective. Here we are supposed to put the correct word. Kuntal and Prachi are doing their homework. Now we are supposed to select from here. Blank teacher did not come to school today. His teacher, my teacher, their teacher, her teacher, our teacher. Teacher किसी एक के नहीं होता है. Teachers belongs to everyone. Okay, so we will write down our teacher. Ruchi borrowed the book from her classmate. Ruchi is girl, तो उसकी classmate मतलब her classmate. Kunal said, collecting coins are one of my hobbies. Rakesh has lost blank lunchbox. Rakesh is a boy, so for Rakesh we will use his lunchbox. Now the very next, tick the correct words and complete the sentences. Here we are having options and we are supposed to select the correct one. The red scooter belongs to Rohit. Rohit is a boy, so we will write down his. Her और yours नहीं आएगा. According to noun, we will put possessive adjective. These books are our. We got it from the bookshop. I have completed my work, but Sushmita is yet to complete. Sushma is girl, so Sushma will complete hers. Mr. Sharma's car has a radio, and so does ours. Ritu and Riya cried when the parrot flew away because it was not theirs anymore. Chassie's desk looks tidier than mine. Okay, so these PDF I already shared with you. Right now I am speaking. अगर आपका incomplete है तो आप लोग लिख लीजिए. And if it is written, then we are doing revision. A box to carry lunch in. जो बॉक्स में हम लंच लेके जाते हैं, that is called a lunch box. A cloth that is laid on the table, a table cloth. A boat that is driven by steam, a steam boat. A horse that is trained to run in races, a race horse. A person whose job is to sell things, salesman. A person who tells stories, storyteller. Okay, again I am repeating this answer. cloth that is laid on the table, that is called a tablecloth. A boat that is driven by steam, steamboat. Horse that is trained to run in race, race horse. Person whose job is to sell things, salesman. Person who tells stories, stories teller. Okay, so it was all about our chapter number 1, and I hope all the students will learn this chapter properly. This was the main important part. I read the whole chapter, explained all the answers and grammatical part. So everybody has to learn these things properly. Okay students, so that at the time of the examination it would become very easier for you to write down all the answers.